Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll solve a very important question. Look, here quadrilateral ABCD is similar to quadrilateral PQRS. Now the question is that find the unknowns in the figure. Here, since these two quadrilaterals are same, that means we can say that angles are similar but sides are different. Sides ratio will be same. So for this one, we can say we need to find out x at first. So how can we find out x degree? So x degree actually will be angle D. And from the pattern, we can say angle D and angle S. These two must be equal since PQRS is similar to ABCD. So from this pattern, we can say angle S and angle D must be same. So instead of angle D, we can write angle S. And now we need to find out this one. Since these two lines are parallel, so we can say that these two angles will be called interior angles. And we know that sum of two interior angles will be 180. So to find out angle S, we need to subtract 100 from 180. So 180 degree minus 100 degree will be 80 degree. And this is the value of this problem. We need to find out the measurement of side y centimeter, that means SP. So from this one we can write SP, that means the ratio will be same. So that's why we need to write these two lines SP and SR, okay? SP and SR. So SP represent actually DA, okay? SP divided by DA equal to SR, look, SR divided by DC. Now what is SP? SP will be Y. What is DA? DA will be 14 equal to, what is SR? SR will be 9. What is DC? That will be 12. Now we need to find out the value of Y. Y will be 9 multiplied by 14 by 12. Now we need to cancel the values. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So 21 by 2, that one will be 10.5 centimeter. And that is the solution of this problem.